Let's make God of Wealth, so he can grant us wealth. Please welcome in God of Wealth, action!
Start by pumping up your 360 red balloon, or if you don't have a 360, you can always use a 260 balloon. Tie a knot. Make a pinch twist. A 12 centimeter bubble. Another pinch twist. And then a 12 centimeter bubble and tie it to the first pinch twist you made. And make one more 12 centimeter bubble and tie it to the other pinch twist. Make sure you have 3 of those 12 centimeter bubbles. Now pump up your 360 or 260 blush balloon and make a 12 centimeter bubble. And tie a knot on both ends. Tie one side to one of the pinch twists and the other side to the other pinch twist. This makes the face of the God of Wealth. You can now pop off the rest of that red balloon and tie a knot. Now pump up a second 260 red balloon and tie a knot. And your gold chrome 260 balloon and tie a knot as well. Using the red balloon, tie it to one of the pinch twists. And make a 6 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, and another 6 centimeter bubble and tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. This makes the head of the God of Wealth. Now to make his shoes, pump up your 260 black balloon and tie a knot. Make a small pinch twist and a loop twist for one of his shoes. Pop off the rest and save it so you can make the other shoe. So once again, make a pinch twist and a loop twist. Make sure the 2 shoes are the same size. Pop off the rest of the balloon and tie a knot on both of the shoes. Continuing with that 260 red balloon, make a 6 centimeter bubble and tie in one of the shoes. Then make another 6 centimeter bubble and tie in the other shoe. And make a 6 centimeter bubble and tie it back to the pinch twist. This completes the legs of the God of Wealth. You can now pop off the rest of that red balloon and tie a knot. Now, take out the gold chrome balloon you pumped up earlier and tie it to one of the pinch twists. Now, make a soft loop twist around that pinch twist. Make a 12 centimeter bubble so it reaches to the other pinch twist. and then make one more soft loop twist around that pinch twist. Using that gold balloon, make a 12cm bubble so it reaches back to the first pinch twist that you tied the gold balloon to. And with that first 12cm bubble, adjust it so the head of the God of Wealth, the red bit with the pinch twist, is in between two of the gold 12cm balloons. So as you can see, the red 260 is sandwiched in between the two gold 260s. Now, pump up a chrome green balloon and make a 4cm bubble and tie a knot. And tie a knot on the other end as well. And tie the two knots together at the back of the bubble. This makes the jade of the God of Wealth's hat. You can cut off the rest of that balloon. Tie this jade to the pinch twist that was made in the middle of the God of Wealth's head.
NSA music.
Continuing with that gold balloon, wrap the gold balloon around the entire head and tie the end to the pinch twist. And tie a knot at the very end. You can cut off the rest of that gold balloon. Onto the drawing part. Use a black marker to outline the eyebrows, a smiling eyes, a nose, a mustache, and the mouth. Use white to color in the teeth, pink for the blush, and black again to outline the rest of the mouth. And use red to color in his tongue. Lastly, use a black marker to write in the Chinese word for wealth, or you can just draw in a big dollar sign, which I'm sure would work just as well. And your God of Wealth is done.
Well, I have a God of Wealth balloon. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.